information on internet.
Very nice. Good job, Abraham. Now next, who's going to tell me? Can anyone tell me one internet search engine? Any one internet search engine? Yes, Hiba. One internet search engine. Name of one internet.
Miss Google.
Very nice. Good job. Now the next question. Next question is. The next question is. When you go, how to open a internet search engine? Ayan Ashraf. How to open an internet search engine?
Software.
Huh?
Or start button.
Yes.
Start button.
Then.
Click the start button
Yes.
and click all program.
Yes.
Click Google Chrome.
Very nice. Good job, Ayan Ashraf.
Firefox Internet.
Good job. Good job. That's a yes, everyone. Good job. Good job, Ayan Ashraf. Next question is, anyone have used other than Google? Did anyone use other than Google search engine? Any of you have used another Google search engine except Google search engine? Anybody have used that? Anybody? Yes. Imama, yes, Imama. Everyone, for the test, you have to open the camera, please. You have to open.
मिस मैंने आईसीटी का पूरा वर्कशीट नहीं करी है.
Worksheet. Why? Why you didn't do the worksheet?
मिस मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता.
You have to open an internet search engine and then you have to write down that name and then you can search it. You didn't see the recording of the previous classes, right? Why?
No.
That's the problem. I told you to search from the internet search engine. Huh?
Okay.
Yes, you have to go and see the recording for the internet search engine. You know, now the time is already up. I told you to go to the internet search engine.
Okay.
Worksheet first.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I asked you to do the researching from the internet, which I've given you the worksheet already.
मिस मैंने पहले का भी टेस्ट नहीं दिया है आईसीटी का.
Oh, now you are late then. Mama, contact me after the class, okay, Mama? Okay, everyone. That's it. Yes, Abraham, can you tell me any other search engine?
Teacher, I have used Firefox, Yahoo, and Safari, and Firefox, and internet.
Very good, Abraham. That's right. Any one of you have tried any other search engine than Google? Just like Abraham did, Firefox, Yahoo, Bing, and Safari. Any one of you tried it? Yes, Ayan Ashraf? Did you try it? Yes, please raise your hand, raise your thumb who has tried another website for the searching. Yes, Hiba. I can't hear you, Hiba. Please speak louder.
1 minute.
Yes. Hurry up, hurry up. We are about to give the test.
Miss Firefox.
Yes.
Opera.
Yes.
Network. Oh. Sorry.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Well and good. Okay, now next question is, how can you open an internet? How can you open an internet? Any one of you know what is the internet modem device? Any one of you have a device that is called internet modem? Can anyone show me the internet modem of your PC? Do you guys know how internet works? Only Abraham knows. Talbia, where are you? Imama Alishba, please open your camera, please. Talbia, hello, Talbia. If you're not coming into the camera, I will consider you an absent. Zainab Abbas. Yes, hello, Alishba. Any one of you have if you guys turn off your camera during the test, I will consider you 0 marks. Okay, you cannot turn off the camera during the test. Yes, Zainab. Oh, you are Alishba. Alicia, it's been so long.
Miss,
Yes, Alicia.
Miss,
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Now, everyone, Alicia, you are ready to give the test? Thumbs up. Everyone, are you ready to give me the test? Yes, Abraham, first of all, I want you to show me the modem if you have. Can you show us, everyone, the modem you have? Everyone, if you have a question, write it down in the chat box, okay? Because everyone is seeming to raise their hand. I want to take the test during the class. Write down your questions properly on the chat, okay? Do not chat together. Chat with me only, okay? You are not allowed to chat to each other. Only write down questions if you have on with me, okay? I'm going to share the link with you. First, I'm going to show you the video which I'm talking about.
Hello, Banana Rani. I tell you computer and part. Desktop view and forward. This is CPU. CPU is the main part.
Everyone, see, this is a class 1 student giving presentation on a computer part. So that's how you're going to explain it to me, your presentation. It doesn't matter. You can sit down and show it to me. She's standing and she is presenting me her project, okay? So you guys, what you made it, present it like this. First, introduce yourself and then show it to your project. One by one, you can explain like that. See how she is making it. Everyone, look into it, okay?
Hello, Banana Rani. I tell you computer and part. Desktop view and forward. This is CPU. CPU is the main part. This is keyboard. We use this for typing. This is how we use drawing and clicking.
That's it. Thank you. You have to say thank you in the end, okay? This is the video I'm talking about. You have to make your project presentation like this. Someone is making your video and you are explaining the project, okay? Everyone got it? Show me the thumbs up if everyone got it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yes, good, good, good. Very good. Now, Abdul Bari Mama, come to the screen. I'm going to take the chat. Yes, I will start the assessment. Let me share you the link. Everybody ready? Are you guys ready? First of all, Abraham will show me the modem which I'm talking about. Abraham, can you show the modem to everyone? Yes, everyone see. Modem I'm talking about. Let's review for first thing. If you can recognize this thing. These are the search engine. These are the search engine. There are so many search engines. This is Yahoo. This is Google Chrome. This is Internet Explorer. Now in this picture, you can see there are lots of internet search engine. It's Google, Yahoo, Ask, and Bing. So many, even I don't go through with the everyone, okay? I have a word search with you, but I cannot do it on Google Forms. So what you're gonna do is, yes, we have learned what is web browser. It's a program used to open a website, okay? Web browser. Website open करने के लिए what you're gonna do is click on a web browser, which are Internet Explorer, which is look like this, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, which have a compass, Opera, which is look like O, Netscope, which is N. Cap. What is this? You have to write down websites. When you open a Google or any website search engine, you can write down what you want to search about. What are the benefits of the internet? We have discussed it, and I have given to you the worksheet also. It is written over there also. I hope you all go through with it. I am just going through what it is. Internet is a worldwide network of million of computers. Okay, it connects computer throughout the world, all over the world. Internet is a big network which will connect you to all over the world. Okay, all over the world. What a group of computers connected together is called network. What is networking? A group of computers, just like you and I, all of you are connected to a computer with me, is like a network. Okay, we are studying and it looks like a network. What we are a network. We are a group of people who are connected through a computer. Okay, we are a group of people who are connected through a computer. Now, benefits of internet: you can find information, you can receive and send messages, you can get the latest news, you can look for flight tickets and train tickets, you can advertise your products, and you can play games, you can watch movies and videos, you can listen to music, and you can also find books online and read it over there. Okay, so these are the important benefits for you. You can do all of these things with the help of internet. Now everyone, this is the these are all the things we have studied in the last class. I hope you guys remember it. Let's go for the test. Okay, I'm going to send you the link. Everyone, go to the group chat and start writing it down. Go and just click on the link. Everyone, click on the link, write down name and date over there, your class, and start the link. Do not turn off your camera, everyone. I have 12 participants over here. Where is everyone else? Everyone, start your test. In the last question, all you have to write down 1, 2, 3, 4. When you go to the last question, the very last question where you need an ID, submission ID. Okay, Hassan, what is the laughing about? Everyone, when you have to write down the submission ID. Submission ID where you have to write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember it, okay? The question when they ask you submission ID, you have to write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone got it? Everyone got the link? Okay, I'm monitoring the test. Yes, everyone, this is the question assessment number 2. Write your name, write your class section, and mention date. Assessment number 2 is internet search engine. Answer the following questions by choosing the right answer. Number 1 question. I'm reading it. I hope you guys got on it. What do you mean by the term online? Options are there. Choose the one answer. Question number 2. Select which one is used for search engine. Which one? Select it. Question number 3. Which of the following is required to connect to the internet? Options are there. Number 4. From the image given below, select any 3 internet search engine name. Okay. I have mentioned so many names. You have to select only 3 answers. Okay. In this question number 4, you have to select 3 answers. Which 3 of these are used as a search engine? Okay. Remember the word search engine. Question number 5. Internet is useful because, select 3 answers. What are the useful and benefits of internet? You have to select three answers. Okay, read the questions carefully when you choose it. Okay, question number 4 and 5. Question number 4 and 5 has the options of choosing 3 answers. Question number 6. This bar is used for. What is this bar used for? You guys have typed it on the internet search engine. You guys must know it. What is this? Now it is a modem. This is the internet modem. What it is used for? Now you tell me what is it used for. Write it down the answer. Choose the correct answer. Now you can send email online with the help of dash. What is this? Answer. Choose the correct answer. Question number 8. Question number 9. What is this option is used for? You have to select the correct answer. Question number 10. What can you do with the internet? Select. What can you do with the internet? Question number 10. I'm changing question number 10 a little bit. Hassan, you have a question? You can write it on the chat box. Write it down on the chat box. We have studied also about software and hardware. I hope you guys remember from the soft and hard word. Yes, everybody is ready? Are you giving the test? I'm going through with the chat, okay? You guys didn't write it down on the chat? Yes. Hassan, first your question, please.
मिस मैं चैट में लिख रहा हूँ.
Okay. Yes, Alicia, what is your question? In question number 4, all 3 options are not S. What S? Hassan, your answer, your question is not completed.
Miss,
In question number, Alicia, yes, Alicia.
3 ऑप्शन मिस जिधर 3 ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना ना उधर मुझसे 3 ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहे. एक ही हो रहा है बस.
Okay, let me check it.
Okay, miss. नीचे
Is it working now? Is it working now?
Miss, I am checking.
Refresh your page and do it again.
ये वाला था मैं YouTube वाला.
Refresh your page. Yes, everyone. Are you doing the test? Yes, Faria, you have a question. Now you can do it. Yes, Hassan? Yes, good. Everyone, refresh your test paper and then do it again. I have changed the setting for you to choose the 3 options. Yes. Anyone else have a question? Abdul Bari, open your camera. I will consider you absent if you didn't open the camera. Imama, you too. Ayan, Ashraf, I cannot see your face. Open your camera and sit in front of it. Yes. Ayan, Abdul Bari, you have a question. Please open your camera and do the test with the open camera, please. Abdul Bari, I will warn you 3 times. After that, I will give you a 0 marks when you're not opening the camera. Yes, Talbia.
Yes, miss.
Abdul Bari, open your camera. Yes. Sit in front of me and doing the test. Do not turn off the camera. Yes.
मिस सामना आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है.
You are hearing my voice in a very low manner. Okay. Can you hear me correctly now? Loud and clear?
Miss. Yes.
Can you hear me loud and clear now?
No, miss.
No, you're not. Every one of you.
मिस मैं आपकी क्लास दोबारा से कनेक्ट करके देखूं?
Okay, you can do that also. Yes, Hiba. What is
Miss,
your question?
Miss, my question is, Miss, मैं जो लिंक खोल रही हूँ.
मिस मैं कह रही हूँ कि जो है हमारे को मेरे उसमें आ रहा था पास जब आपको 3 सेलेक्ट करने था ना इंटरनेट के नेम्स तो वो उसमें से 3 नहीं हो रहे उसमें सिर्फ 1 नहीं हो जा रहा है.
Sorry, repeat it again.
मिस जो क्विज में जो हमारे उसमें आ रहा था 3 ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करने ना आपको.
Yes.
तो उसमें से जैसे मैं एक कर रही थी तो दूसरा
दोबारा किया तो वो उससे हट के दूसरे पे आ रहा था, तो वो नहीं हो रहा था, तो हमने एक कर दिया उससे।
No. Go refresh करें पेज को, refresh करें, then you can select it now. 3 options. You have to select 3 options. Refresh करें पेज को, now you can select 3 options together. I have changed the setting.
How?
You can refresh करें पेज को, refresh. I am sharing you how to refresh the page. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone see, there. This is the symbol of refresh the page. Refresh the page by reload this page. They are saying you reload, left arrow, right arrow, and reload. Okay, you have to reload the page. Now you can select more than one options. Okay, I have changed the setting. Now you can do it. Yes, Alicia, what is your question?
Miss, Miss,
I have submitted.
Miss, I have submitted questions. Miss, वो जो मुझसे नहीं किए हो रहे थे ना 3, उनको मैंने छोड़ दिया है।
No. Go back to the question. Do it again, Alicia. I told you every question you have to do it.
Miss, select नहीं हो रही थी।
I have
Exact.
done the changes. Now reload the page just like I have taught you right now. Reload the page and do
Miss,
it again.
Mama has a class.
Okay, then
I'm
do it
leaving
after the
now.
class. Alicia, do it after the class. Reload the page and do it after the class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Abraham. What is your question? Yes, Zainab. I'm coming to you next.
टीचर मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जो है मैंने सारा कर लिया, लेकिन मुझसे वो सबमिट ही नहीं हो रहा। वो कोड क्या है? सबमिट कोड
1 2 3 4. Go to the chat and see it. I have written down submission ID 1 2 3 4. Submission ID 1 2 3 4. Okay. Yes, Zainab. Zainab, unmute your mic. Zainab, unmute your mic. Zainab. Yes. Louder.
रिफ्रेश कैसे करेंगे?
Reload option is just on the top in the left side. Left arrow होगा, right arrow होगा, and the next जो है ना circular में arrow बना होगा, circular arrow. It's like a reload this page. आप उस mouse लेके जाएंगी and it will saying you reload this page. You have to click on that button and the page will reload. Okay. Yes, Faria. What is your question? Faria, do you have a question? I'm checking it. Who is doing it right now? I have got
टीचर आईडी क्या है?
ID 1 2 3 4. Beta, go to the chat. I have told you. I have told everyone that you have to write down 1 2 3 4. Submission ID is 1 2 3 4.
मिस मैंने अपना पूरा क्विज भी कर लिया, मैं 1 2 3 4 आईडी भी लिख ली, फिर भी मैंने सबमिट कर रही हूँ तो वो हो ही नहीं रहा।
What is they saying that you missed something?
नो
Hiba
मिस।
Bilal, I've got your results. Hiba Bilal, good job. 14 out of 16. Good. Lishba, I've got yours also 14 out of 16. Alicia, I got 13. And Syed Hassanul Haq, 16 out of 16. Good job, Hassan. Very nice. Only 4 people have submitted me the. Only 4 people. Yes, Hassan, I've got yours. You can go. You can go. Those who are done with the test, they can leave the class. Yes, those who are not done, they have to stay in with me and they'll do it. Submission ID is 1 2 3 4. You can select more than yes, Zainab.
टीचर मैं रीलोड कर रही हूँ, लेकिन फिर से वो कह रहा है कि फिर से शुरू से करो।
Form, you have to fill the form again, but you will get the option of choosing more than one option from question number 4 and question number 5. Okay. Yes. Anyone else? Abraham, what is your question? Yes, Abraham.
टीचर
Yes.
मेरे से जो ना सबमिट नहीं हो रहा।
Why? Show me. I
हाँ,
will
रुको
allow you
दोबारा।
to share it to me. I will allow you to share your screen with me.
रुको मैं आपको दोबारा दिखाता हूँ, ये देखें हो ही नहीं रहा है।
Show it to me. You have a share option, Abraham. You can share it with me. Share your screen with me. Yes. Very nice. Go to the Abraham. Yes. Very nice. You have to write your full name, Abraham. Right. Very nice. Next, you have to select the day. Yes, class. Hmm. Invalid date. You have to write 2 digit, beta. 2 digit. Yes. 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 Go ahead. Go ahead. Do it. Okay. Don't share the answers. Do only ask me the question where you are stuck. You have to do the all question answers. Okay. That's it. You want to share something? I'm running out of time, everyone. Do it fast. Abraham, I cannot hear your voice.
टीचर रुको मैं कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. Just give me where you are stuck. Just give me that thing. You don't need to share. You have to
पर
write
मैं 1 2 3 4 लिख रहा हूँ.
and it will not submit until they can. This is required question. See, this is saying required
Okay,
question.
sorry.
Yes. Okay. Now stop sharing it. Stop sharing. Stop sharing your screen. Yes, that's good. Now you get it. You have to submit all answers. Otherwise, the paper will not allow you to submit it. You have to answer all questions. Yes, Abdul Bari.
Okay. मिस मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर और हार्डवेयर वाला नहीं आ रहा.
Why you didn't? You were not present in my last class. What is hardware and what is software? It is also mentioned in your ICT worksheet. Internet search engine mein I have teach you and I have given you worksheet which is mentioned what is hardware and what is software. Hard means what you have in your hand is a hardware. Whatever thing you can touch is called hardware devices. And whatever you cannot touch, only see it and use it through something, it's called software. The copy which is soft and it cannot be touched through your hands, through your senses of a hand. It's called hardware. Now figure out which one is the hardware and which one is the software. Abdul Bari, now you can do it. Yes, Ayan Ashraf. What is your question? Yes, Ayan. I have only 1 minute. Let me check who has done it. Okay, 4. Number 5th is Alishba Hamid, 15 out of 16. Good job. Next is Abraham. I've got yours, 14 out of 16. Abraham, I've got yours. Rehan, I've got yours, 13 out of 16. Next is Ayan Ashraf, 14 out of 16. Abraham, I've got yours. The next time is 16 out of 16. What should I do? Consider your second test. Okay, those who are done, you can leave the class. Abraham, you can leave the class.
टीचर आई थिंक कि जो है ना मुझसे जो है ना गलती से ये हो गया होगा, वरना मेरे पूरे 16 आए हैं. ये देखें आप.
I know I've got your 2 test results. You are not allowed to fill 2 forms. You have to fill only one. I've got your
टीचर आई डोंट.
yeah. I got your 2 results. Abraham, I got it. See, I'll tell you, I've got your 16 out of 16 wala result also. Okay. Every one of you who try to submit 2 forms with a little bit of changes of their name, you only allowed to submit only one form. Abdul Bari, are you done with the test? Abdul Bari, are you done with the test? Yes. Done, everyone. Time's up. I'm going. Take care of yourselves. Zainab, Ayan, Ashraf, Abdul Bari, Faria, I haven't get your test, beta. Are you doing it right now? Yes? Okay, let's wait till I have 4 minutes. I have 4 minutes remaining. Do it right now. Ask me if you have any questions. Do not edit Likhawala Yan Ashraf because you can't edit it. You just have to write down the submission ID, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Just write down the answer, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Yan Ashraf? Okay, Yan Ashraf, if you are done with the quiz, let me check it and then you can leave. Okay. I've got 10. Hiba Bilal, Alishba, Alicia, Hassan, Alishba, Hamid, Abraham, Rehan, Ayan Ashraf. Yes, Ayan Ashraf, I've got yours. You can leave. Zainab, I got yours also 16 out of 16. Good job. Zainab and Ayan Ashraf, you can leave. Yes, Abdul Bari and Fari, I'm waiting for you to done it. Ayan Ashraf, I got your test results. You can leave the class, beta. Faria and Abdul Bari, I'm waiting for you. Where is Faria? She's just gone? She didn't submit me. Why she's gone? Abdul Bari, I'm waiting for you. I should have gone 13 assessments. Why I'm getting only 10? Abdul Bari, yes, Ayan Ashraf, what is your question? I've got 2 minutes only, Abdul Bari. Yes, Ayan.
Miss,
Yes.
I leave class.
Yes.
I leave class.
Yes, you can leave. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Abdul Bari, I'm waiting for you to fill the form, beta. I'm waiting. Jaldi, hurry up. Abdul Bari, are you with me? Abdul Bari. Can you hear me, Abdul Bari? Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari. Seems like Abdul Bari, you are not here. What should I do with you? Zoom is about to be closed. Abdul Bari, after the class, submit me your form. I'm waiting, okay? Take care. Allah Hafiz.